It's been drummed into every hunter's head that they must wash their clothes before and after every hunt. But what happens if you're on an extended hunt? Or if there's no washing machine? Or, like most of us, you simply don't have the time? That's why Ozonics developed the DriWash bag. The Ozonics DriWash bag is designed to be used with the DriWash mode on your HR230, HR300, and the all-new Orion unit to quickly deodorize and sanitize all of your hunting gear before and after every hunt. It does so in a matter of minutes. Pulse technology floods the interior of the DriWash bag with bacteria-destroying ozone. Then your unit shuts off the flow of ozone and flushes the bag with fresh air, diluting the ozone. This ozone fresh air cycle is repeated for a preset amount of time and then shuts itself off, safely and properly sanitizing and deodorizing all of your hunting gear. It's perfect for use on longer hunts, between hunts, or simply as a quick and effective alternative to using laundry detergents, sprays, and other products. And harness the power of Ozonics before, during, and after your hunt.
For a limited time, when you buy an Ozonics unit, receive a DriWash bag for free. Go to ozonixhunting.com to get yours today.